Hey everyone, welcome back to Pod English Stories. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Before we start today's amazing lesson, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we're teaching today.
Seriously, this video is going to change your English forever. But first, Leo, I have a simple question for you. Ready?
Sure, hit me.
Okay. Leo, what are you doing tonight?
I am thinking that I will maybe go to...
Stop. Leo, why do you sound like a loading screen? You know, like when your computer freezes? Loading, loading, loading.
What? I was just trying to be grammatically correct. I was thinking about the tense, the subject, the verb.
And that's your problem, Leo. You're building sentences word by word, like you're stacking tiny Lego pieces one at a time. Your brain is exhausted.
But that's how I learned English in school. The teacher said I need to think about grammar rules first, then build the sentence.
I know. That's how most people learn English. But here's the truth. Native speakers don't think about grammar when they speak. They use ready-made phrases that they've heard thousands of times. They just grab these phrases and use them.
So what should I do instead?
You need to use chunks. Think of English like big Lego blocks that are already connected. You don't build them, you just grab them and use them.
Chunks? What are chunks?
Teacher mode. Chunks are groups of words that always go together. Native speakers don't think I plus have plus know plus idea. They think I have no idea as one single piece. It's like a cheat code for English.
A cheat code? I love cheat codes. Tell me more.
I will. But first, if you want to learn these English cheat codes with us, smash that like button right now. It really helps us make more videos like this.
Yeah, and comment below if you also feel like a loading screen when speaking English.
Seriously, we want to hear from you. Do you translate in your head before speaking? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, now teach me these chunks. I'm ready.
All right, let's start with something super simple. Leo, I'm going to ask you a really difficult question. Ready?
Okay.
Seriously, Leo, what do you think about quantum physics?
I do not know.
Ugh, Leo, you sound like a robot. I do not know. That's so boring and unnatural.
But it's grammatically correct.
Yes, but native speakers don't talk like that. Here's your first chunk. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
No. Don't say it like 4 separate words. Say it like one word. Listen, I have no idea. It flows together.
I have no idea.
Perfect. Now, let me ask you again. Leo, what do you think about quantum physics?
I have no idea.
Boom! See how much faster and more natural that was? You didn't think about grammar at all.
Wow, that felt so easy. It just came out automatically.
Exactly. That's the power of chunks. Your brain doesn't have to work hard because you're using a ready-made phrase.
So this is how native speakers talk so fast? They're just using chunks.
Yes. Native speakers have thousands of chunks stored in their brain. When they talk, they're just combining these chunks together like Lego blocks.
That makes so much sense. No wonder I'm so slow. I'm trying to build everything from scratch.
Exactly. You're working 10 times harder than you need to. But don't worry, I'm going to give you the most useful chunks today.
Give me another one.
Okay, here's another super useful chunk. When someone asks you a question and you want to say, probably not, or I don't think that's true, you can say, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Exactly. For example, Leo, is it going to snow today?
I don't think so.
Perfect. See? You're already speaking in chunks. And here's a secret. Native speakers say this phrase almost like a song. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Yes, that's it. And you know what? You can use this chunk in so many situations.
Like what?
Well, imagine someone asks you, do you think it will rain tomorrow? You can say, I don't think so. Or someone asks, is the store open on Sunday? You can say, I don't think so.
I don't think so. I don't think so. This is really useful.
It is. And the best part is you don't have to think about grammar. You just say the chunk and you're done.
This is already changing my life. What's next?
Okay, now let's level up. I'm going to teach you chunks for making plans with friends. This is where English gets really fun.
I love making plans. Well, in Turkish I do. In English, not so much.
That's about to change. First chunk. What are you up to?
Wait, what? What are you up to? What does that even mean?
It means what are you doing or what are you busy with, but it sounds way more casual and friendly than what are you doing.
Oh, so it's like asking someone about their plans or what they're doing right now.
Exactly. Native speakers use this all the time. It's super casual and friendly.
What are you up to?
Good, but say it faster, like one smooth phrase. What you up to? Native speakers often blend it together like that.
What you up to?
Perfect. Okay, now let me show you how this works in a real conversation. Leo, what you up to this weekend?
I will maybe go to...
Stop. You're translating again. Just use chunks. Try this. I'm planning to, or I might.
Oh, I'm planning to watch some movies.
Yes, see? So much faster. And you can also say, I'm thinking about going to, or I'm gonna. These are all chunks.
I'm thinking about going to the gym. I'm gonna meet some friends.
Perfect. You're getting it. Okay, here's your next chunk. When someone suggests a plan and you agree, don't say, okay, or yes, I agree. Say, sounds good.
Sounds good.
Let me show you. Leo, let's order pizza tonight.
Sounds good.
See what just happened? You didn't think about grammar. You didn't translate. You just said, sounds good, and we understood each other perfectly. That's the magic of chunking.
This is incredible. I feel like I just unlocked a superpower.
You kind of did. And here's the thing. Sounds good is so versatile. You can use it in almost any situation.
Really? Like what?
Well, someone says, let's meet at 5 p.m. You say, sounds good. Someone says, how about Italian food? You say, sounds good. Someone says, I'll call you later. You say, sounds good.
Sounds good, sounds good, sounds good. This is so easy.
It is. And you can also say, sounds great or sounds perfect if you want to be more enthusiastic.
Sounds great, sounds perfect. I love this.
See? You're already using chunks naturally. And here's one more chunk for making plans. Let's hang out.
Hang out. Like hanging clothes outside?
No. Hang out means to spend time together casually, like meeting friends for coffee or just relaxing together.
Oh, so like takılmak in Turkish.
Exactly. So try this. Leo, we should hang out this weekend.
Yeah, let's hang out. Sounds good.
Perfect. You just used 2 chunks in one sentence. You're officially speaking like a native speaker now.
Wow, I didn't even think about it. The chunks just came out.
That's exactly what should happen. When you practice chunks enough, they become automatic. You don't have to think, you just speak.
But Maya, can I build longer sentences with chunks? Like more advanced sentences?
Oh, Leo, you have no idea how powerful chunks can be. Let me show you the magic formula for building long sentences.
A magic formula? Tell me.
Okay, here's the secret. Native speakers use starter chunks. These are phrases that begin a sentence. Then you just add whatever you want at the end. Let me give you an example. The starter chunk is, could you tell me?
Could you tell me?
This is a fixed phrase. You never change it. It's always, could you tell me? Now you just add your question at the end. Try it. Could you tell me where the bank is?
Could you tell me where the bank is?
Yes, see? You just made a polite, long B1 level sentence without thinking about grammar at all.
Wait, that's a B1 sentence? I thought B1 was really difficult.
It is difficult if you try to build it word by word, but with chunks, it's super easy. You just use the starter chunk and add your question.
Let me try another one. Could you tell me what time it is?
Could you tell me how to get to the station?
Boom, perfect. You're building complex sentences like a pro.
Could you tell me what time it is? Could you tell me how to get to the station?
Yes, 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 you're on fire. See how easy this is?
This is insane. Give me another starter chunk. Okay, here's a really useful one. I'm looking forward to.
Looking forward to? What does that mean?
It means you're excited about something in the future, like you can't wait for it to happen. For example, I'm looking forward to our trip.
Oh, so instead of saying, I am waiting for our trip, I should say, I'm looking forward to our trip.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to sounds so much more natural and enthusiastic. Try it.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Perfect. Now try with something else.
I'm looking forward to learning more chunks.
Yes! Leo, you just built another B1 level sentence without even trying. Do you see how easy this is?
I can't believe I was wasting so much time thinking about grammar. This is so much faster.
That's exactly right. And here's the thing. When you use chunks, you also sound more natural because these are the exact phrases native speakers use every single day.
Can I get more starter chunks? I want to collect them all.
You want to collect them like Pokemon?
Yes, gotta catch them all.
Okay. Here's another great one. I was wondering if...
I was wondering if.
This is a super polite way to ask for something. For example, imagine you want to ask for something. You can say, I was wondering if you could help me.
I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if we could meet tomorrow.
Perfect. And if someone asks you this question, you can answer, no, not at all, or no, go ahead.
Okay, Maya, do you mind if I borrow your pen?
No, not at all, go ahead.
Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Yes, you're using it perfectly.
This is so cool. And I bet native speakers say this really fast, right?
Yes, in casual conversation, they might just say, do you mind? It's super short and sounds really natural.
Do you mind?
Perfect. You're speaking like a native now.
Maya, I have a question. How many chunks do I need to know to speak English fluently?
That's a great question. Research shows that if you know about 200 to 300 common chunks, you can handle most everyday conversations.
Only 200 to 300? That's not that many.
Exactly. It's much easier than learning thousands of grammar rules. And the best part is, you're probably already using some chunks without realizing it.
Really? Like what?
Well, do you ever say, thank you? That's a chunk. Excuse me? That's a chunk. How are you? Chunk. See you later. Chunk.
Oh my God, I've been using chunks this whole time and I didn't even know it?
Exactly. You already know how to use chunks. Now you just need to learn more chunks and use them more often.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me more.
All right, here are some super useful chunks for everyday life. Ready?
Yes.
All right. By the way, use this when you want to change the topic or add something new.
By the way, did you watch that movie?
Perfect. Next one. To be honest, use this when you want to give your real opinion.
To be honest, I don't really like horror movies.
Great. And here's another. As far as I know, use this when you're not 100% sure, but you think something is true.
As far as I know, the store closes at 9 p.m.
Yes, you're collecting chunks like a pro. And here's one more really useful one. It depends on.
It depends on.
Use this when your answer changes based on the situation. For example, someone asks, do you like pizza? You can say, it depends on the toppings.
It depends on the toppings. That's so useful.
It is. You can use it depends on in so many situations.
It depends on the weather. It depends on my schedule. It depends on the price.
Perfect. See? You're already thinking in chunks.
Okay, Maya, this is all amazing, but I have one problem. How do I remember all these chunks? There are so many.
Don't worry. I'm going to teach you the best technique for memorizing chunks. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing? What's that?
Shadowing means you repeat what you hear immediately, like a parrot. When you're watching a movie or a TV show and you hear a chunk, pause and repeat it out loud.
So if I hear someone say, I have no idea, I should immediately say, I have no idea?
Exactly. Exactly. And here's a pro tip. Record yourself saying it. Then listen back and compare your pronunciation to the native speaker.
Oh, so I can hear if I'm saying it correctly?
Yes, and you can also pay attention to the rhythm and intonation. Chunks have a specific melody, and you want to copy that melody.
What do you mean by melody?
Well, for example, I don't think so has a falling intonation at the end. I don't think so. Hear how my voice goes down?
I don't think so.
Perfect. That's the melody. And every chunk has its own melody.
Sounds good. That goes up a little. I have no idea. That's more flat.
Yes, you're getting it. The melody is super important because it makes you sound natural.
Okay, I'm going to start shadowing today.
That's the spirit. And here's another tip. Write down the chunks you hear. Keep a chunk notebook.
A chunk notebook? Like a diary?
Kind of. Every time you hear a useful chunk in a movie, TV show, or podcast, write it down, then practice saying it out loud.
That's a great idea. I'm going to start my chunk collection today.
Perfect. And remember, the more you use chunks, the more automatic they become. Soon, you won't even have to think about them. They'll just flow out naturally.
How long does it take for chunks to become automatic?
It depends on how much you practice, but usually if you use a chunk 20 to 30 times, it becomes automatic.
Only 20 to 30 times? That's not that much.
Exactly. So if you practice a chunk every day for a month, it becomes part of your natural speech.
Okay, I'm going to practice these chunks every single day.
That's the attitude. And you know what? I want everyone watching to do the same thing.
Yeah, if you're watching this right now, pick one chunk from this video and use it 5 times today.
Exactly. Don't try to learn all the chunks at once. Just pick 1 or 2 and practice them until they become automatic.
Right, quality over quantity.
And if you want more videos about chunks and natural English, make sure you're subscribed. We have so many more lessons coming.
Yeah, next week we're going to teach you chunks for phone conversations.
And the week after that, we're doing chunks for job interviews.
So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.
This has been such an amazing lesson. I feel like we covered so much today.
We really did. I went from speaking like a robot to speaking like a native speaker.
Well, you still have more to learn, but you're definitely on the right track.
Hey, I'm doing my best.
I know, and you're doing great. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks, Maya. And thank you to everyone watching. You guys are the best.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. I want to know, what's your favorite English chunk? Is it, I don't know, let's go, sounds good? Write it in the comments below.
And tell us which chunk you're going to start using today. We read all the comments.
Yeah, and also tell us, do you translate in your head before speaking, or do you try to use chunks?
Don't be shy. We want to hear from you. Your comment might help other learners too.
Remember, everyone, stop translating word for word. Start speaking in chunks. Your English will become 3 times faster, I promise.
Don't give up on your English journey. Keep practicing, keep using chunks, and you'll sound like a native speaker before you know it.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to keep trying and keep practicing.
Exactly. Every chunk you learn is one step closer to fluency.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye. Keep chunking.
And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today.
Yeah, that like button really helps us reach more English learners like you.
Bye. See you next time.